Good morning, students. I am Professor Mehboob Hanchan here. So, we'll study about the thickness of rock bed from the geology lab here experiment. We know that there is a below the ground level there are various layers of the rock beds are there. Here we are determining the thickness of those rock beds. Okay, there are two methods to determining the thickness of those rock beds. One is the graphical method and there is the mathematical method. So in the graphical method, this is your ground level. This is ground level. This is the rock bed which is dipped at certain angle to the ground level, this is the width of the rock bed. If you take a perpendicular from the ground level, this height is called as vertical thickness. A perpendicular from the ground level till to the rock bed, this vertical height is known as vertical thickness of the rock bed. If you take a perpendicular from the rock bed till to the this ground level, this height is known as true thickness of the rock bed. Clear? Now, so they are going to give the problem. In the problem they are going to mention the what angle the rock bed has been dipped. Means they will give the angle and they will mention on east side, west side, north or south side. So they will mention it, and also they are going to give the width of the rock bed so that we can draw this one. So now afterwards you draw a perpendicular to this and measure this distance. This height is known as vertical thickness, and take a perpendicular from this rock bed plane to this ground level. This height is known as, either you can take here, these heights are both are same only. This is true thickness of the rock bed, right? Now, as per mathematical, will come here. Let us consider a triangle AOX. Here W is width of the rock bed. This is true thickness. This is angle D. So apply sine rule. Sine equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is true thickness. Hypotenuse is width of the rock bed. So true thickness equal to W into sine D. Okay, if you want to find out the true thickness, you can just substitute the width of the rock bed and the angle of dip of that rock bed. You will get the true thickness. Similarly, consider a triangle AOY. Here again W is width of the rock bed, it is vertical thickness. Here apply the tan rule, that is tan theta, tan D equal to opposite by base, Vt by W. So Vt is equal to W into tan D. So Vt is vertical thickness, W is width of the rock bed, tan D, tan into angle. If you want to find out vertical thickness, you apply this rule to find out the vertical thickness. So let us move to the one example here. In a level ground, the sandstone formation is dipping at an angle of 30 degree towards east with its outcrop 120 meter wide. Find its true thickness and vertical thickness. What they are given? They are given the width of the outcrop, width of the rock bed they are given, that is 120 meter, and that rock bed is dipped at an angle of 30 degree towards east. Okay, so draw one ground level here. So with keeping protractor on this ground level, mark 30 degree and join the line. Similarly, draw 120 meter with some scale. So if you're going to consider here, say you consider 1:40, means 1 centimeter equal to 40 meter. So with the help of that, draw 3 centimeter here, mark that point. Again draw a 30 degree angle here, extend that line. These two lines are what? Parallel to each other. This line and this line is parallel to each other. Okay, Now, as per graphical, take perpendicular distance, measure it, and convert with the scale. You will get vertical thickness. And take perpendicular to this line means this parallel distance. What is the distance between these two lines? This is true thickness. So measure this one, you will get the true thickness. So here true thickness they have got is 1.5 centimeter multiplying with 40. Why 40? Because they have taken 1 centimeter equal to 40. So it is 60 centimeter. So again this vertical thickness they found 1.7 centimeter, multiply with 40, you will get 68 meter. This is vertical thickness 68 meter. This is as per the graphical method. Let us move with the mathematical method. True thickness equal to W into sin D. W equal to 120 sin 30 degree 60 meter. So your graphical also 60 meter, your mathematical also 60 meter. Vertical thickness equal to W into tan D. W is 120, tan 30, it is 69.9. So as per your graphical it is 68, slight variation. So this is about the thickness of the bedding rock beds. Okay, clear? So if you having any doubts, feel free to ask me. So I will send I will give some more problems of this. I will send some more videos about this kind of problems. Okay.